Every Marvel superhero has a unique style and way of fighting. But for how long is the question? Among Marvel superheroes, some are just normal humans with special abilities like Hawkeye, Falcon, while some other characters have proved to be more than just normal, like Thor, the god of thunder, and Captain Marvel too. So here are a bunch of Marvel superheroes who will never die, at least according to me. Although it is quite clearly mentioned that Thor is not immortal, as every Asgardian has an average lifespan of 5000 years. But there have been certain incidences when Odin was mentioned, one very old Asgardian. While fighting with the fire giant in Thor Ragnarok, Thor believed that Odin had destroyed the giant about millions of years ago.
You're still alive. I thought my father killed you like 500,000 years ago.
But whether it was true or was said by Thor just to agitate the giant, nobody knows. If it is true, then being Odin's son and more powerful than Odin, Thor can be said the immortal god of thunder. It's very tough to say whether Captain Marvel will die or not, but it's clear that with the powers of Tesseract, she has become the most powerful superhero of MCU. From 1990 to Avengers 4, she barely aged, and it's due to the effect of Tesseract that her aging has reduced to a very slow pace. This may be her power, but at the same time, it can serve her as a curse. It's still not sure whether she will die or not, but it's clear that she will definitely live for thousands of years. As already seen and understood that Groot can regenerate from the smallest leftovers of his body, it's way more easier to digest the fact that Groot might never die. As long as there's some good soil and a pot around, he is basically immortal. He regenerates, starts from scratch and grows to a well-known Groot and says,
I am Groot.
I know this dude is not the part of MCU yet, but it's almost sure that he's gonna end up joining the multiverse, as Disney is owning Fox now. The fact that he might never die is because he has all the special abilities that any superhero might want, just like best healing, agility, speed, strength, and never-ending humor. Yeah, that too counts. You may even blow him up or rip his head off, but he'll come back and he might wander around the city with Dopinder in the taxi. Never underestimate this magician with the thought that he is nothing but a stone protector. He has the power which was held by the Ancient One in the past. And one must know that Ancient One was really very ancient. And no one knew her actual age. The powers which Doctor Strange holds might keep him alive forever. Just like the Ancient One, as she was too on the same path before getting mortally wounded. Doctor Strange also holds the Time Stone. And by that he might skip the death step of the staircase. Who knows? It's quite a clear fact that Dormammu will never die, as he is the ruler of the Dark Dimension, and he does every possible thing to spread his Dark Dimension in every universe possible. He tries endlessly to absorb other universes. Although he didn't got much attention in the MCU yet, but he's way more powerful than Thanos, as he can kill anyone even without Infinity Stones in a blink of an eye, as we have already seen in Doctor Strange first sequel. So who's your favorite superhero among these? Write it down in the comment section, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If it's your first time visiting here, consider subscribing and also press the bell icon for receiving all the notifications. So that's it, I'll see you in the next video. Till then,